Hello. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how can you edit or make custom parts for the vehicle or for any vehicle that is in the original game, because I'm not sure that you can do this with the ones that are modded. I haven't tried it, but with the base vehicles, it's pretty simple. Okay, so this car has, I'm gonna edit the bumpers because it's fast and noticeable. So the wide body, and so we are gonna edit this just to be able to see the differences between the base and the other. So first we're gonna go and head into the to this folder, so into the Steam library, Steam apps, common, BeamNG content and vehicles, and search for the car, his name, whatever it is. Some of them has different code names, but this car actually has the name of the original car. So yeah, it's Broker Bastion. So I have it here, and I usually just copy this name in the folder and do another. I have already one, so I have to rename it before I copy paste it, and this will suck because this might be a bit confusing, so I'm gonna do a new mappa. Mappa folder. We won't need this or this, only the original file, and I usually rename it to be able to tell the difference between the new and the original version, because the mod, so the final version, has to be named whatever the card's original name was, otherwise it's not gonna work. So this will be the mod, so this has to wear the name that it was originally. We are gonna go ahead and search for Bastion. Since I want the bumpers, then we will the bumpers, of course. We will need the DAE file and the main materials, just in case, to avoid the no material or no texture found. So now we have this. I usually do the blender first. We'll delete this. Import the collada that we're gonna edit. So it's gonna be, in my case, we need the original, not the original, so the edited one. Import it, and if it's imported, then we're gonna search for bumper F and R, and we can delete the others because these are the only ones that we are gonna edit. And I'm gonna just do a few things, like, for example, lower them. Okay, hey BeamNG. So we will be here forever if I edit this normally. So I'm just gonna lower and make it wide. There. to be able to tell the difference is so it's not gonna look good, but yeah, it's not gonna look good now. Okay, so we'll be able to tell the difference. And now I'm gonna edit the text too. Just a simple thing, the same that I did with the font bumper. Over it a bit, and yeah, and suck a bit with nodes. Okay, I don't care. I'm just gonna lower it and make it weird so you can tell the difference too. And now that we're finished, we have to rename this to whatever you want. So if you want ABC, then to ABC, but don't close Blender because we will need this later. But now I usually do this after this. I usually rename it to the same name that you renamed this, and also this. Now we can open, and we will need to rewrite this part into the same one that we named the file. So in my case it's gonna be extra, and I usually rename this part too, because otherwise you won't be able to tell the difference between the edited one and the original. So I usually just write the extra everywhere. And as flex bodies, you have to rename the original into the same one that you used here. So if it's ABC bumper F, then this should be ABC bumper F too. Yeah. Now we're gonna go the same with the rear bumper. Yeah, and with the flex bodies, this true too. I don't have to rename this because we didn't edit this, and this might be causing some problems for me because it's not in the call of the file. Okay, well, we'll see if I have problems with this. Now export this file and to the same path. And turn off copy and export, and now go and rename it to the whatever you want. Just be sure that these are the same, and mainly that's all. We might need to edit a bit, but now we can compress it, and I usually name it the same so I can tell which is mine and which is downloaded from other creators. And this will be the name of the mod that is shown in the mods file. So this will be this part. So if you name it to ABC, then it will show ABC here. Now we are good, and we need to go to BeamNG and to the user and update the local BeamNG and to the version that you want to use it, which will be, I think, the latest one. So paste it, and now we have to, yeah, it's here, but it will not work. The game didn't load, so if I search for bumper, it won't be here for now. So I restart the game, And hopefully we'll be able to replace the original bumper to the edited one. So research a bit. Here's the problem. Yeah, it's buggy. Don't care about that. Since the last update it's gone, I don't know why, but it's gone. So we use this car, but I can do with any of these. For example, I can do it with this too. It doesn't matter, since it's just a mod, not the actual file renaming. And now we'll see this extra front bumper. Yeah, it's working. And the rear, yeah, it's here too. And now there's only one thing that we can do. Actually did crash before I hit, I think. But for GoPro, I'm gonna hit slowly until it does not hit it. Only when the range is and just visual that you don't see the noise slowly. At the back, it's kinda good, though, but it could be better if we would be able to edit this. So yeah, that's how can you make custom parts for any car in BeamNG.